a traveler of the tides. The coconut seed can float for months, waiting for the ocean to deliver it to a new shore. Life breaks through. Using its own internal reservoir of water, the coconut sprout creates its own oasis on the barren sand. The Genesis Motion Precision Sensor provides real-time moisture data, essential for optimizing the growth of young coconut sprouts.
The primary root of the coconut sprout anchors deep into the sandy soil, seeking fresh water.
Built for the storm, the coconut tree trunk is a masterpiece of flexibility, designed to bend but never break against the ocean winds. The flowering begins. Hidden within a protective sheath, thousands of tiny blossoms prepare to secure the next generation.
A delicate exchange. While the wind does the heavy lifting, local insects ensure the coconut flower is perfectly pollinated.
The transformation. Slowly, the nutrients in the coconut water begin to solidify, creating a layer of tender jelly.
The coconut reaches its full size, the outer green coconut husk becoming tough and leathery.
Engineering density. The coconut meat is one of nature's most concentrated sources of medium-chain fatty acids. The fibrous layers of the coconut husk become dry and stringy, creating a buoyant cushion.
Nature's life jacket. This fibrous husk is designed to protect the inner nut from impact and keep it afloat in salt water.
The tree of life has fulfilled its promise. From the tides to the table, the genesis of the coconut is complete.
An AI-generated cross-section reveals the layers,
green husk, brown shell, white meat, and clear water. The air is visualized as shimmering teal and silver particles, representing the electrolytes in the water.
Electrolyte balance. Optimal hydration grade. Behold the ultimate survivor, a vessel of life, energy, and purity. This is Genesis Motion.
A ladybug crawls on the ridge of a green coconut, showing the scale of the massive fruit.
The only soft points in the hard armor.
The hidden heart. The haustorium is a spongy marvel that digests the meat to feed the new sprout. The shift from liquid to solid endosperm is shown as a rhythmic, cooling wave of energy.
The camera follows a water molecule from the ocean through the roots into the coconut water.
Thriving where others fail, the coconut tree's deep roots, shown in this AI visualization,
Internal highways. Thousands of tubes deliver life-sustaining water to the highest canopy.
Coconut water delivers vital electrolytes directly to the cells, enhancing hydration and energy at a mitochondrial level.
The dried shells are shown being crafted into sustainable Genesis motion bowls.